Hey everyone, this is Ryan coming to you live on Facebook and Instagram today because it is October 1st and we have another brand new subscription box that I am here to show you. So we have new collection, new boxes, and new products, and I am super excited to show you guys what we have in store for you for the month of October. So if you are watching this on Facebook or Instagram, always comment, like, share with your Facebook business pages or with your friends, families, neighbors. We really appreciate all your support because you guys are awesome. So again, if you're watching us, comment, let us know you're here. We really appreciate it. Hello on Instagram. Thank you for chiming in. We love all of our customers. And so, yes, October 1st is here. Can you believe it? Fall is in the air. Hey, Kathy, how are you doing? Tanette, thanks for chiming in on Facebook. We really appreciate it. So, I can't believe it's already fall. Hey, Sam, how's it going? And it's already October. Can you believe, like, we are almost into the holiday season. Halloween's right around the corner. Thanksgiving is coming up next month. Janine, thanks for saying hello. Appreciate all of our viewers saying hi. Hey, more highs on Instagram. Thanks again. We appreciate all the love that you give us. And so, October's here, and so for many of us in parts of the country, it's starting to get cooler. The air outside is getting drier, and sometimes our lips get chapped during the fall and winter season. And so we have come up with the best brand new Essential Lip Balm Collection that we are rolling out in our October subscription boxes. And so stay tuned, and so you guys can find out exactly what you're going to get in our brand new Essential Lip Balm Collection subscription boxes. And so if you're not familiar with our subscription boxes, we have two options for you guys. Number one, we have our Oiler box, which is only $19.95 a month. It is great for personal use, and let's just dive right into it. I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to get in your Essential Lip Balm Oiler box in the month of October. So, of course, you're going to get a recipe sheet with every Oiler box, which is vital to making your Essential Lip Balm Collection. And so Karen, our certified aromatherapist, she has worked hard to make sure that these recipes are great. And I will attest that I have tried these recipes and they are fabulous. And so if you guys have ever struggled to make an amazing homemade DIY lip balm, you're going to want to pick up this collection right here because this is tried, tested, and true. These recipes are fantastic. And so you're going to get this two-sided recipe sheet, which is chock full of information to show you how to use your favorite essential oils to make your own homemade essential oil lip balms. And so you're going to get one of these recipe sheets in every Oiler box. And then, you know what? I'm going to hold off on that. I'm going to show you this first. And then you get one amazing label sheet. And so this label sheet right here has 12 labels and 12 lid stickers. And you might be saying, hey Ryan, that label sheet looks really crazy. Why does your label sheet look like that? And the reason why is because this month we are putting out our brand new colored lip balm tubes with our essential oil lip balm collection. And so these labels right here match the colors of the lip balm tubes. So I'm going to hold some of these up so you guys can see these. I'm gonna grab some of these. Oh, there, we had a casualty. Here we go. All right, I got it. So look how great these labels look on our brand new color lip balm tubes. And so they look fantastic. So we got the orange to go with the orange. This one's the red to go on the red lip balm tube. And so there's 12 different colors, 12 different labels that you are going to get for your Essential Lip Balm collection. Purple, my favorite, and a lot of people love purple. So check out how great this purple label looks on these brand new color lip balm tubes. And so this collection looks amazing. And so we've worked really hard at developing these, not only the recipes, but these labels for you as well. And again, like I mentioned, all of our label sheets, They all come with the lid stickers and the labels all in one sheet. No need to buy separate label sheets. And of course, our recipe sheets and label sheets always fit inside of our content management system notebooks. So you can see the holes are punched out, super convenient and nice for you guys. So you get one of each of these sheets, and we aren't just going to give you 1 dozen of these brand new colored lip balm tubes this month in your oiler box. No, not one, but you guys get 2 dozen of these brand new lip balm tubes inside your oiler box. And you might be like, Ryan, why do I get 24 lip balm tubes in my oiler box? And the reason is that we have this brand new product that we are going to give to all of our subscribers this month. And that right here is our God Oil Supply silicone lip balm filling tray. And so you can see there's 24 holes in this silicone lip balm filling tray. And this makes it so easy to make your homemade DIY lip balms. And so you're going to just take your lip balm tubes, you're going to take off the lid, and then these just slide right inside the holes in the silicone filling tray. And so you're going to put all 24 of your lip balms in here. You're going to make your amazing lip balm recipe with the help of our certified aromatherapist, Karen. She did a great job coming up with the perfect recipe. So you're going to make your recipe, put all your colored lip balm tubes in here, and then all you got to do is just put the amazing goodness on top of here. And then it even comes with this little spatula to help you fill all 24 of your lip balm trays at once. And so this right here alone is a $13 value. And so as always, our boxes come to you guys at a great value. And so the oiler box, you get all these things that I just showed you. Hey Elaine, how you doing? For only $19.95 a month. It is a great deal. And if you love essential oils, which of course if you're watching this you do, and you need to learn how to use them, this is the perfect subscription box to help you learn how to make essential oil lip balm tubes. So that's the oiler box. Let's get on the builder box because we have a ton of builder box subscribers and you guys are probably itching to know what you get in your October builder box. And so the builder box is only $39.95 a month. All of our boxes have been valued at least $60 per month, and this month is no different. This builder box is valued just above $60. It's only $39.95 a month, and it is for essential oil builders. So if you're trying to grow your essential oil business and you do make and take classes, DIY classes, you're making samples to share with your friends, families, neighbors, if you're trying to share your love of essential oils with those around you, you are going to want to subscribe to our builder box. And so in our builder box, we don't give you just 2 dozen like the oiler box. We give you a total of 4 dozen of our brand new colored lip balm tubes. And so you get an extra 2 dozen, which will help you share your essential oils with those around you. So you get 4 dozen of our colored lip balm tubes. We're going to throw in a dozen of our 5 ml lip balm containers because these are also really great for samples. If you don't want to give someone an entire brand new lip balm tube, you can use these little sample containers that we're going to give you only in the builder box. Put a little bit of your homemade lip balms inside of here, and you can share those with your friends, families, and neighbors. And that is why these right here, these lid stickers are really great. You can take one of these lid stickers, put them on one of these sample containers, and helps you to share your essential oils. And then what also is really awesome, and this is what makes the builder box such a great deal, is we don't give you just one label sheet. You get 12. So you get 144 labels and 144 lid stickers. So you get 12 sheets of labels that you can use for your make and take classes and your giveaways. And so it's a huge value getting 12 label sheets. And then also we also include 12 recipe sheets, not just one. We include 12. That way you can give these away If you have a friend or family, it's like, hey, do you want to know, you want to learn how to use your essential oils to make lip balm tubes? You can share these recipe sheets as well. So you get 4 dozen of these, 12 recipe sheets, 12 label sheets. Of course, in our builder boxes, we're also going to throw in our brand new silicone silicone lip balm filling tray. You get the sample bottles. Of course, we always throw in the pipettes and the funnels. Oh, and I forgot to mention the surprise. As all of our subscribers, they already know, each and every month, we just include a freebie. We find an awesome surprise that we throw in the box in both our oiler and builder boxes. And that way you guys can look forward to opening your box each and every month to find a surprise there. So it's super fun. It's like Christmas all year round. You're always going to get a surprise in your box. And so, again, it's over a $60 value for only $39.95 a month. We ship these supplies out to you automatically each month. It is the best deal in essential oil supplies. It is super easy, and it is a great way to learn how to use your essential oils in different ways. Karen, our certified aromatherapist, she works hard at coming up with the best recipes for you guys to use. And so, from your feedback, we know that Karen's doing a great job because you guys have loved our collections that we've come out with. And so, if you guys have any questions about our subscription service, we are here for you. You can give us a call. You can email us, send us a message on Facebook or Instagram. We are here to answer all of your questions. So again, just to recap, we have our brand new Essential Oil Lip Balm Collection. Oiler box is just $19.95 a month. Builder box is only $39.95 a month. Tons of brand new products. Go to the website. Go to our website right now to learn more. And again, if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Please contact us. We are here to help you guys. And that is all I have for you today, which is a lot, I know. It's a lot. But we love coming out with all these brand new collections for all of our amazing subscribers each and every month. So we do that we do that for you guys because we appreciate it. And so, again, this is Ryan from God Oil Supplies signing off, wishing everyone a happy October, and don't forget to go subscribe to your subscription boxes. Until next time, everyone, take care. Bye-bye.